A nice fight between Elbow God, Gaston Bolaños, and Kwon Glad, the Vietnamese. One of the most talented Vietnamese fighters, and some people even say that he is like the reincarnation of Kang Lee. I'm confident this is gonna be a great match. Bolaños is having better striking, but if Kwon Glad takes him down, Kwon is going to dominate for sure. He lost to Chris Gutierrez and Long Shaw. Didn't do well in the UFC, and he's fighting for survival right now. He's fighting for his contract, and he'll have to fight to stay in the promotion. We'll have to see how it goes. If you're asking me, I'm thinking this fight will not go the distance. I have a good feeling that Lee has to go for all or nothing. Though I think Bolaños stops him, this is literally 50-50 to me. Kwong has to knock him out if he wants to stay in the promotion. Gonna be a tough fight.